As a world-class expo, the China International Import Expo has been held successfully for consecutive 5 years since 2018, and over 3,000 companies carrying this business event this year. It will be the first complete return to in-person exhibition for the event since pandemic. So in today's In Shanghai Open Mic, we'll bring you a series of the story experienced by the participating enterprises. So now let's welcome the George Ye, General Manager of Edwards Life Science, Greater China. Let's welcome.
For Edwards Life Sciences, which is a global medical device company. It's really gratifying to see a lot of the changes taking place in the China medical device and healthcare industry in the last 15 years. And in fact, one of my very first actions when I joined in my current role 4 years ago was to actually initiate our participation in CIE. And even though we have been in China for over 20 years, the CIE is a great forum for us to demonstrate our brand, exhibit our products, and talk about our values. And this is our 4th year in participating in CIE, so we very much look forward to that. So one of the great things about the CIE is that it's a communication channel for us to learn more about the Chinese market and for China to learn more about us as a company. I feel like CIE really inspires a lot of confidence in the Chinese market because it projects openness and receptivity that is very welcoming for everybody involved. For Edwards Life Sciences, in the past 4 years, we've been able to highlight new product launches. In fact, each of our business units have had a flagship product launch in connection with CIE. As a healthcare company, there are additional components of our engagement with CIE, particularly with respect to physician customers, or we call them KOLs, key opinion leaders, as well as medical societies. At this year's CIE, we'll be able to really highlight some of those patient stories and share that with the broader audience. What I've observed over the last 3 to 4 years of our participation has been a shift towards a more strategic engagement, above and beyond new products alone. So in other words, telling a company's history or story. So that trend from a more specific product focus, transaction focus, to a strategic engagement has been very helpful, I think, for everybody involved, for us and for the Chinese market, because again, I think it allows us to do a very fruitful and productive exchange in getting to know each other.